So in addition to offering all of the different certifications that the CWNP has, they also offer quite a bit of study materials to help you prepare for those certifications. These are the official study guides for each one of the CWNP certs. Definitely recommend that you go out and you purchase each one of these for each exam that you plan to take, because this is the only way to gain the proficiency and the level of knowledge required in order to pass each one of these difficult certifications. Now, Cybex is the company, they're the publisher that puts out all of these books, and they can all be purchased either by paperback at your local bookstore, or you can also purchase them through an ebook through iTunes or Amazon or any one of the major ebook vendors. In addition to offering the study guides themselves, they also offer practice exams. Now, this is one of the best ways to really get a better understanding of how the CWNP organization words their questions. Everybody that has ever taken a certification, specifically a technical certification before, knows that different organizations word things differently. In fact, even the person that wrote the certification might have written one differently from another. So I definitely recommend going out and purchasing the practice tests, because a lot of times you will find that some of the questions in those practice tests are just worded a little bit differently, but are very familiar and very similar, and will give you a better understanding of what areas you should probably focus the majority of your studying time. Now, I don't show it here, but they do also offer a CWTS practice test as well, or of course for each one of the ones that you see there, or the all 5 practice exams in one. So if you plan on taking all of them, you can definitely go out and you can buy these packages that include both the books and the practice exams. Now, the place that you need to go in order to really start doing anything, if you decide that you want to take one of these certifications, the best place to start is the CWNP's website. Now, you can go to CWNP.com. You can sign up for free for an account, so you can start posting on the blogs, on the forums. You can start really paying attention to what's going on in the wireless industry. If you sign up for their e-newsletter, you get job offers, for wireless network engineers. Get more detail on the individual certifications. You can actually go to some of their training partners and sign up for either online or in-person training courses. But one of the places I always go to most is the blog and forums page, because they do have a lot of great articles in the blogs section. Tom Carpenter is actually, I believe, the gentleman that's in charge of generating content right now for the CWNP. Does a great job of posting a lot of really cool articles about wireless technology. And of course, the forum is a great place to go and ask questions, especially if you're actually in the process of studying. A lot of people are on there doing the same thing, and they can really help answer any questions that you might have. Now, as I mentioned in the first video, part 1, is the fact that my videos that I'm going to be putting out are really just a way for me to take the content that I've already learned by reading the official study guide and kind of outlining the core concepts and putting it out there on the web for other people to see as well. It's just a way for me to reinforce the information, because I find reteaching it really kind of instills the concepts into my brain a little bit better. Now, I do want to caveat a few things. There is a disclaimer that I would like to put out there, and that is that my videos are not officially sanctioned by the CWNP, nor am I a certified trainer or even work for a training partner for the CWNP. I'm simply using these videos as a high-level overview of what I have learned already. If you are planning to take any one of the CWNP certifications, you definitely need to do 2 things. One, go out and buy the official study guide and read it cover to cover, because that is the only way that you're going to get the level of proficiency required to actually pass these very difficult certifications. The other thing that you should probably do is purchase the practice exams. And, again, like I said before, the practice exams are great for seeing how the CWNP organization words a lot of their different questions. And if you still need some additional help then one of the things you might want to think about taking is the actual classroom. The actual classes themselves with some of the CWNP training partners. A lot of people are more visual learners and they would prefer to have some more hands-on experience or have a classroom instructor, to answer questions for them. So definitely look into purchasing those as well. And at the very end, if you just want some nice review, if you want to make sure that you're understanding a lot of the concepts as well, then you can use my videos simply as a supplementary aid to all of the studying that you should already be doing with the official study guides. So just wanted to get that disclaimer out of the way and make sure, CWNP doesn't come down on me hard for offering information out there for free. That being said, I hope you've enjoyed this nice overview of the CWNP organization. Like I said before, hopefully my next series or next set of videos within the CWNP series is going to be around some of my studying that I'm doing currently for the CWAP exam. And I hope you keep checking back at wirelessvideoblog.com, and I'll see you all in the next video.